As you all know, we are going through trying times in this lockdown period. I first of all pray that the lockdown period gets over very soon and the whole world is healed and we come back to our normal life. But friends, during this period, instead of having negative thoughts in my mind, I thought why not put it into some proper use, put it in some positive way. So friends, I started with making some socially useful products from the leftover material, or we can call the waste material, which is thrown away by the tailors after they have finished stitching our outfits. So I had just collected some material from the jeans tailor, some pieces of material, and I thought why not convert it into a useful product. So these are the things I made out of the jean material. See, these are social pockets. It can be used social. It is a multi-purpose organizer. I have made many such. Just converted them into these pieces. They were so small pieces, so I converted them into pockets and made it into a multiple organizers. Then I also made bags out of denim pieces, just joined them and made strong bags which you can carry as a shopping bag. As you all know that today plastic is banned, so these can be used as a shoulder shopping bag and they are quite durable and quite, I can say, useful, very useful. So these are some of the denim bags I made. I had made many, but I have given away all the denim things. That was, and as I meet people come who carry plastic bags when we go down to buy veggies, I have given away some bags. And then I had brought some material from a lady's tailor. He had given me lot of leftover material as he did not want them. So he was very happy when I told, if you don't want this, can I take it? He was so happy, so I brought it home. And then that material I converted into again shopping bags. See this printed material. See, I stitched them into bags. Many such bags I've made. Many bags I can say. You can see here lots of bags here. I've converted them into shopping bags, tiffin bags we can say, and handbags. People who don't like to carry purse, they can use it as a handbag also. Just join the material, put the lining and converted them into bags with a zip on it. It can be used as a baby bag for the newborn babies. Then these can be used as a party, carrying for parties. Beautiful design bags. This, so many of the bags I have made with the border, putting the sari border as and when required, as and when the design I could make, I have turned them into lovely bags. Then besides this, see, this is also a bag made out of small pieces of material, a nice shoulder bag to carry when we go shopping, and you can easily put the things inside and bring your useful things in it. Then there were small material pieces, so I converted them into this such showy bags, showy hand, carrying it in hand. This is not a shoulder bag. Then I also made sling bags. See, these are the sling bags made by me. See, you know, nowadays girls prefer sling bag. They just carry their mobile and some little money in that. So I have converted them into sling bags. Lots of sling bags I have made from the size of the material available. Lots of sling bags. Then some material was left, So I converted it into a small pouches. See, such pouches which can be used to put your mobile, your money, and see all this. This is all from small pieces which the cuttings, I can say, not even small, the cuttings, I converted them into lovely pouches. See, and then this is also a pouch, and then there were some lace pieces. So see, this lace pieces and the satin pieces I converted into hairbands for the sweet little girls. So after the lockdown, when I meet those little girls, I will give them these hairbands. These are also made from waste material. So all these socially useful products are made from waste material. This is also a bag made out of waste. Joined the pieces, all the small pieces, and converted into a bag. This also joined the pieces and converted into a bag. This also, now this is a quilt made by me. This is also joined and converted into a quilt. 2 quilts I made in this lockdown period. As the monsoon is nearing, I would like to sleep under it or gift it to someone who really needs it. So this is also a quilt, 3x6 size quilt. Now, as it was announced that face mask is a must in this lockdown period, so I started making lots of face masks. First, initially I made the face mask, which it looks like a clinical ones. See, these are the scarves made by me. The scarves can be put, you see the girls putting dupatta and tying it up. So instead of that, I have made this. You can cover your head in the hot sun and then tie it up like this. So this acts not only as a scarf but also multi-purpose, scarf plus face mask. And these are some of the face masks I made, all color face masks, so you can wear it on your matching dresses. See this. Now initially I had elastic, so I used elastic, but later on as the elastic got over, I made some other mask in which only the string can be tied. Then I also made, see these masks in which only the string is tied like this. Then I have also made these type of mask. These are the latest one I made to tie like this. This is all made from the waste material. Of course, before giving to anyone, I will wash them all, sanitize them, or I will use it for my own purpose. I have made lots of masks. All these, and I think this we have to use for another year or so. So this is, I can say, the most useful thing, the most socially useful productive material. This, see, the hairbands were, I hope you like my hairbands. I hope you like this type of face mask. This is a scarf, and then in front you have to tie it up like this. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for seeing it patiently. And this lockdown period made me more creative and my brain started thinking in a more positive way. Every night I used to think, now what should I make tomorrow? What new thing I should make tomorrow? And then new ideas would come into my mind, and thus I can say these waste things were made into socially useful products. Thank you so much.